Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and you're watching my channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar and Education for us all. So welcome to another recipe in this segment called Cooking Made Simple. So as you can see here, there are lots of vegetables and there is some chicken on there. And this is something that I learned from a friend in university. It is a very simple thing, spicy chicken stir fry. Okay, so I've actually boiled the chicken because the children like it nice and soft. So we've got all the vegetables that we like. I think that's carrots and swedes, and then there's a mixture in here, mostly peppers, but cabbage and other things. And over here we have what we call the leafy things that are more tender, red onions, white onions, and potatoes. Again, they've been boiled. Over here, the ingredients that I'm going to use, chilies, 2 lots of chilies, because one's going to go in the chicken and one when we do the vegetables. And over here, a few of the secret recipes. You've got some extra virgin oil there. You've got chaat masala. We have I don't know what that is. Oh, lemon. It's better to use fresh, but I guess a bottled one will do. Salt and pepper, and another secret recipe is honey. Okay, so let's go over to the oil. So as you can see, the oil is sizzling away there. Put it on a really high heat, and we're going to add the chicken to that.
Chicken?
Yep, so can we add the chicken to that, please? So as I say, I have cooked these already and I've boiled them also. They are, I would say, about 80% ready. So we're going to stir this for around about 3 minutes so that it's all nice and brown. So I should emphasize this is, being a stir fry, we need to do certain things on a high flame. So this is on a high flame. So as you can see, this is browning quite nicely. So at this stage we just add the basic spices that you would like, and for me that's salt and pepper. Okay, so there is another thing to add, but not in this pan, as you'll see later. So salt and pepper to taste. Okay, that's the salt going in now. So I think the chicken is done nicely there. What we do is we're going to take the chicken out and put it back into another container or a pan. Okay, so the chicken is in the pan, and to this we're going to add the chili. You can add other things if you like, but I keep it nice and simple, and give that a good stir, please. Okay, so try and get it as spread out as possible. So a good stir. So as you can see, that chicken has what can we say, blended with the chili. And back to the pan here. We need to put that on a high. And the vegetables we start to put in. So for each one we need to give it about a minute or so. So the first one that went in was white onions. So as you can see, the onions browning nicely. Can we add the carrots and swede, please? So put these in the order that they'll need longer to soften. And these are fresh carrots and fresh swedes, so it's going to be quite tough. So we need to cook that for about 3 minutes. Can you give that a good stir, please? Again, 2-3 minutes at this stage. So those have cooked nicely, and we're going to add the potatoes. Don't forget, I've already boiled these, so again, you know, they only need to be cooked for about a minute or so, 2 minutes possibly. Okay, so I would say the harder stuff has been done. Now with the leafy things and those things that don't really need cooking for a long time. So that's peppers, cabbage, and an assortment of things that Mrs. A has decided. Okay, so we've got lots of vegetables in now. We need to give that a stir. So as I said, this is the softer stuff, the leafy stuff, so we're only going to cook it for about a minute or so. Give that a good stir, please. Real good mix. Okay, what I always do is add a little bit more oil here, and you really want the quality virgin oil, so that's gone in. And then we're going to start adding the sauces. First of all, the soya sauce. A good helping of soya sauce, and give that a good mix. Okay, so really mix the oil into that. Okay, this is lemon juice going in now. Of course, this is optional if you don't want to use lemons, but we love lemons. Can we give it a stir, please? Give it a good mix so that you can taste all the things. Okay, and to make it a little bit more spicy, can we add the chilies? So again, something that is optional, but we like chilies. Can we give that a good stir? Okay, that's coming on nicely. Everything's cooked nicely. So because it's on full heat, you do have to do things quickly. Okay, I think that's okay. Can we add the chicken back into that, please? Okay, so the chicken goes into that, and we're going to give that a good mix. Okay, so that really is taking shape, the chicken and the vegetables, whether they're hard or leafy, blending in really well. There's just one more thing to put in, so you know, we always like the onions not too well done, but if you want to make them softer, you cook them longer. Can we give that a good mix, please? Okay, break up the onions. Okay, so as you can see, the onions have softened a little bit. And then we have the secret or additional masala. That was chaat masala that's gone in. Again, optional, but this is what I call spicy chicken. And to give it that bittersweet taste, I add honey. Okay, so this is clear honey going in. Okay, and we're just going to toss and turn that for 2 minutes. Can we toss and turn that, please? Okay, so with Eid coming up, this would be a lovely little starter. Okay, so we are, expecting about 8 people, so making a large quantity. And there we have it, viewers, my, what can we say, recipe or edition of spicy chicken stir fry. I do hope you will try it. I assure you it tastes absolutely wonderful. So Eid is coming up. I don't know whether I'll be uploading another video. So, a really, really, really warm-hearted Eid Mubarak to everybody. And there's, as always, this is an opportunity to thank everybody. I do thank you from the bottom of my heart for your continued support. I think we're up to about 3,700, so on the final lap, as it were. So please continue your good support. Please keep watching. Please watch fully. Please play all the playlists so that we can achieve the final 300 hours that is required. Look after yourselves. Look after others. Apna ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना. Eid Mubarak. Allah Hafiz.